Okay, so now we're in Florida, and we've got another one of these objects. And I'm going to pan in on it. Well, maybe I should pan out a little. So it's all alone. But I want to show you the difference here than the last place. All this looks so much different. The hologram, the particulates. Maybe because look at it, silver now and skinny. Oh, it morphs different shapes. But I think because it's humid here, really humid here and hot, that might have some effect on the way this looks. I'm trying to figure what is the pattern around the world, you know. I have no idea. But I do know that these objects are very odd. And this one just sits and morphs. It's not doing anything but morphing. And then it'll, like, disappear. And then it'll come back on. It'll get small, get big. I've been watching it for a few minutes. I'll let it do a few little things, and then we'll move on. Sometimes, like now, it's got a little wispy tail. If you look real closely, I don't even know if you can see it, but sometimes it has a little wispy thing coming out the bottom of it. Yeah, but it doesn't morph. Alright. And then it disappears. I have no idea what's going on. I really don't. I know there's a lot of stuff in the air right now. Look at that. Okay, we're done. That's the craziest thing.